this is my review of my Lego City construction site, set number 73633. Now you get these 5 figures, 4 construction workers and 1 delivery guy, and there's 3 workers. They're pretty neat. And you get a boss. He's got a walkie-talkie, and this guy is a delivery man who works in that truck. This guy works on the crane. This guy goes on the digger. This guy works for the shop. This guy's the boss doing on the back of here, and this guy drives the truck. Okay, and get nice digger which fits in the truck. It's got this. Can open, and you got this, and this thing digs, and you can also fit it on the lorry. You can fit it on. Okay. And you get these gates which block off people from sites and everything. Onto a main truck. Steering on seat, and there's something like a dashboard. And even you get those 2 hands, and get a hook which you attach it over there. I broke it. And this attaches, and you can drive it just like a real truck, as a real toy Lego truck. And even onto a main trailer. It's got a number plate on the front and then the back rear. You get a walkie-talkie and hammer and a spanner and a hammer and a spade, and also you get this which carries the digger, and these 2 which you can put the gates just here, and you can put one of those bricks, and you can put the house like it shows you on the box right there. And I pretty like that flat, like it flat, or like this. Okay, onto the main crane. These things stand, and you get these 2 which open, and you can put your construction and equipment inside and get these lights and these. Okay, now you get this steering wheel and the remote seats. You can fit 2 people, and on the crane can lift quite something like this, which attaches here. And you know this comes up and down, and okay. On the crane now to the main shop. You get this lifter which you can attach the minifigure or the builder. It goes up and down, and you get something in the shop, and you get this nice door, and you get the sign which says shop. I really like this shop. I could build one of the best things of my Legos. Okay, now I get to be giving this set 10 out of 10 because it's got a nice building to build shops with those 3 windows can open relatively easily. Okay.